This is Preston Sandler with Home Inspection Carolina, and what we're looking at today is, where you had some raised edges on the sidewalk. So what they did was they sanded it down. I don't know. I mean, it's a fix for sure. So you can see the raised edge. It was a lot more raised there, and then they sanded down the corner so it's not a trip hazard. A little bit more over here. Well, I know they did it for liability purposes. And eventually that will change colors as the concrete ages. The weird thing is, though, there's like aggregate in there, and that's showing up. I don't know if that'll start to protrude or not. It feels pretty smooth, though. But anyway, over time, concrete sidewalks and whatnot will settle. And one fix for it is, if you've got raised edges, is to basically sand them down. They have some equipment, that can do that. But yeah, raised edge sidewalk over here in South Park, they sanded down the edges, so you can see there, so that they're not raised anymore. They basically, sanded them down. Got a pretty smooth finish on it, and obviously it looks pretty white right now because it's just been recently done. But over time, they'll age, and the stains or whatever, it'll match. Or if they pressure wash the whole thing, it'll make it all clean. So it'll eventually match up in time. Right now it doesn't look too great, but I think over time it'll be all right. This is Preston Sandler with Home Inspection Carolina. Thanks.